Fields, as we look at the pump this morning, gas prices are falling in the state of Texas. The statewide average right now is $3.17 a gallon, which is down a little bit from this time yesterday and from 1 week ago as well. Still, gas prices have been causing a lot of pains for our wallets this year. Now, President Biden issuing an ultimatum. Suzanne Bruner is live in Fort Worth as the president is taking aim at oil companies.
Yeah, Mark, good morning. Election day is about a week away, and a lot of voters are thinking about inflation and the economy. So with that in mind, the president is giving gas and oil companies something of an ultimatum: ramp up production or pay a higher tax rate. So the president is threatening to impose a so-called windfall tax on oil and gas companies after they reported record profits. So ExxonMobil made $4 billion more than expected in the last quarter. And Valero saw a 400% increase in year-over-year profits. Biden claims the companies are war profiteering off the conflict in Ukraine and urge them to use the money to expand production or lower their prices. If they don't, he says they are going to pay a higher tax on their extra earnings and face other restrictions.
Rather than increasing their investments in America or giving American consumers a break, their excess profits are going back to their shareholders and they're buying back their stock, so the executive pays are going to skyrocket.
The oil and gas industry are calling his statement campaign rhetoric. The American Petroleum Institute said, and I quote, "Oil companies do not set prices. Global commodities markets do. Increasing taxes on American energy discourages investment in new production, which is the exact opposite of what is needed." Now, it is important to note here that any tax that the president wants to impose would need to come from Congress. Kara.
Okay, Suzanne, thank you. This morning.